Good morning. Thank you for calling customer support. My name is Sarah. How may I help you today?
Good morning, Sarah. My name is Ollie. I am having a problem with my internet connection.
I'm sorry to hear that. Ali, could you please explain the issue?
Yes, my internet has been very slow since yesterday evening. Sometimes it disconnects completely.
I understand. That must be frustrating. Could you please provide your account number?
My account number is 481.
Thank you. Please give me a moment while I check your account.
No problem.
Thank you for waiting. I can see your account details. Are all the lights on your router working properly?
Yes, most of them are on, but the internet light keeps blinking.
I see. Have you tried restarting the router?
Yes, I restarted it twice, but the problem is still there.
Thank you for letting me know how many devices are connected to your internet.
There are 4 devices connected right now, 2 mobile phones, 1 laptop, and 1 smart TV.
Okay. Are all devices experiencing the same issue?
The internet is slow on all of them.
I understand. Let me run a quick diagnostic test on your connection.
Sure.
Thank you for your patience. The test shows a weak signal in your area. There appears to be a technical issue affecting several customers.
Oh, I see. How long will it take to fix the problem?
Our technical team is already working on it. We expect the issue to be resolved within the next 3 hours.
That's good to know. I work from home, so I need a stable connection.
I completely understand. We apologize for the inconvenience.
Is there anything I can do in the meantime?
You can try placing your router in a more open area and disconnecting devices that are not being used.
Okay, I'll try that.
Also, if the issue continues after 3 hours, please contact us again.
By the way, I have another question.
Of course. How can I help?
I would like to upgrade my internet package. Can you tell me about the available plans?
We currently offer 3 plans: Basic, Standard, and Premium.
What is the difference between them?
The Basic plan offers up to 20 Mbps speed. The Standard plan offers up to 50 Mbps, and the Premium plan offers up to 100 megabits per second.
I think the standard plan would be suitable for me.
That's a great choice. It is our most popular package.
How much does it cost per month?
It costs $25 per month.
That sounds reasonable. Can I upgrade today?
Yes, absolutely. I can submit the request right now.
Great. Please do that.
Done. Your request has been submitted successfully. The upgrade should be completed within 24 hours.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
You're very welcome. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
No, that's all.
Thank you for calling customer support. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and stay updated with our latest videos.